Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B18CF indicates a right BSI, blind spot information alert indicator output error, in the Honda Odyssey models from 2011 to 2017. This error implies that there is a malfunction associated with the right alert indicator system. The BSI system aids drivers by monitoring situations in the blind spots of the vehicle and signaling when another vehicle is present, enhancing safety during lane changes. A properly functioning BSI alert indicator is crucial to inform the driver visually. The components involved include the right BSI alert indicator located in the side mirror assembly, a control unit, and wiring connections. This troubleshooting guide will cover the necessary steps to effectively diagnose and repair the issue associated with this DTC code. The right BSI alert indicator is a critical component in the blind spot information system of the Honda Odyssey. Its primary role is to detect vehicles in adjacent lanes that are not visible to the driver through sensors and alerts. This indicator physically resides within the side mirror assembly of the vehicle. When functioning properly, it illuminates to inform the driver when it's unsafe to change lanes. A failure in this system can create serious safety risks. Understanding the location and function of this indicator is essential for effective troubleshooting. Several factors could lead to the activation of DTC B18CF. A faulty right BSI alert indicator is one possibility, where the internal components of the indicator may have failed, preventing it from functioning. Open wiring connections can also create discontinuities that impede signals between the BSI alert indicator and the vehicle's electrical systems. The BSI control unit, which processes data from the sensors and sends alerts, may also be malfunctioning. Thoroughly examining each of these components is crucial to pinpointing the root cause of this error code. When DTC B18CF is present, there are several symptoms that drivers may experience. The most noticeable symptom is the non-functioning right BSI alert indicator, which can leave the driver unaware of vehicles in blind spots, increasing the risk of accidents. Additionally, there might be erratic signaling, where the indicator may flicker or fail to illuminate at all. Such issues compromise the entire blind spot monitoring system, posing a significant safety hazard. Timely diagnosis and repair of the system are essential to maintain safe driving conditions. Begin the troubleshooting process by clearing all diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. The HDS is a specialized tool that helps technicians communicate with the vehicle's onboard computer to read and clear error codes. Clearing the DTCs is essential because it allows for a fresh diagnostic cycle. After clearing, it helps in determining if the error reoccurs or if it was a temporary glitch. Monitoring the system after this step is critical to ensure an accurate diagnosis of any ongoing issues. Once the codes have been cleared, the next step is to turn the ignition switch to the on position, 2, and wait for 10 seconds. This period allows the vehicle's electronic systems to initialize and stabilize. It is crucial to give time for all systems to boot up properly before conducting further diagnostics. Any delays or interruptions could lead to inaccurate readings when troubleshooting. Pay attention to any indicators lighting on the dashboard during this time, as it can provide hints towards existing issues. After the wait, use the HDS again to check for any DTCs that may be present. This step is crucial to see if DTC B18CF is still indicated or if any other codes appear which could be related. If DTC B18CF is present, it directs you to the next step in the troubleshooting process. Conversely, if no DTCs are indicated, this suggests an intermittent failure in the system, meaning it could be a temporary issue. In such cases, it is advisable to check for loose or poor connections in the wiring and components related to the BSI system. Next, turn the ignition switch to the lock position 0. This is a necessary safety measure while you work with the electrical components in the vehicle. After locking the ignition, the next step is to remove the door mirror cover. The cover protects the BSI alert indicator and is essential to access the wiring underneath. Take care while removing this cover to avoid damaging any clips or fasteners, as these can be crucial for reassembly. Once the cover is removed, you gain direct access to the wiring and connectors involved in the BSI system. With the mirror cover removed, measure the resistance between the right BSI alert indicator 2P connector terminal number 2 and body ground. There should be a resistance reading of less than 1.0 ohm. This measurement verifies that the ground connection is intact and solid. If the resistance is higher than specified, it indicates a potential problem, such as an open circuit in the wiring harness between the alert indicator and ground connection G405. Detecting such issues is essential to ensure proper function of the BSI system. Accurate measurement entails using a multimeter set to the resistance measurement mode for precise readings. If the measured resistance did not meet specifications, the next action is to repair any open circuits in the wire connecting the right BSI alert indicator to the ground. An open circuit suggests that the electrical flow is being interrupted, likely due to damaged or corroded wiring. Inspect the wiring harness along the path for any signs of wear or physical damage. This step is crucial for restoring proper electrical connection and ensuring the right functioning of the alert system. Once repairs are made, it's recommended to verify the resistance again to confirm that it falls within the range specified. Turn the ignition switch back to the on position 2, and within 3 seconds, measure the voltage between the right BSI alert indicator 2P connector terminals number 1 and number 2. The voltage should remain stable between 12 volts and 1 volt for 3 seconds before dropping to 0 volts. This behavior indicates the proper function of the warning circuit, where the alert is triggered momentarily to signify readiness. If this voltage condition is adhered to, it suggests that the alert indicator itself is faulty and requires replacement. If the voltage does not meet this requirement, further investigation is necessary. If the voltage test indicates a malfunction, turn the ignition switch to the lock position 0 again. This is to safely disconnect the BSI control unit 16P connector. This step is critical as it allows further diagnosis without power potentially causing injuries or additional faults. Disconnecting the control unit reveals underlying issues with the BSI alert indicator itself or the control unit. Once disconnected, the next step involves measuring the resistance again, this time between the right BSI alert indicator 2P connector terminal number 1 and body ground. This measurement will confirm whether any wiring issues originate from this terminal. Finally, conduct a verification step to ensure that the repairs made have been effective. This includes rechecking for any DTCs using the HDS after performing the necessary repairs on the BSI system components. If DTC B18CF does not reappear, you can confirm that the issue has been resolved successfully. It's crucial to test the functionality of the right BSI alert indicator to ensure it works correctly before concluding the repair. A successful verification will ensure that the safety feature is restored for optimal driving conditions. To prevent future occurrences of DTC B18CF, regular maintenance is key. Periodically checking the electrical connections associated with the BSI alert indicator can assure that they are secure and free from corrosion. Inspecting wiring for any wear or damage can help identify potential issues before they escalate into significant problems. Keeping the side mirror housing clean and securely attached also minimizes the risk of harming components during regular vehicle use. A proactive approach will help maintain the effectiveness of the BSI system and ensure the safety features continue to function. In summary, addressing DTC B18CF involves multiple steps that require careful attention to detail. From clearing codes and testing voltages to examining physical indicators and wiring, each step helps pinpoint specific faults within the blind spot information system. Ensuring that connections are secure and free from damage also plays a crucial role in maintaining system integrity. Regularly conducting preventive maintenance can mitigate the chances of this error reoccurring. A well-functioning BSI alert indicator is vital for driver safety, contributing significantly to accident prevention in the Honda Odyssey models. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.